What's up guys, so today in this video we will be unboxing this brand new case for my Oppo Reno 14. So this is not ordered from Flipkart or Amazon. I have ordered this phone from Instagram or from a YouTube channel. I saw this case on a YouTube channel. The purchase link for that or that YouTube channel is in the description below. So let's quickly do the unboxing. As you can see that the packing is pretty nice and decent. So the price of the case is 350 rupees, and it was delivered from Gujarat. And this is the actual packaging. As you can see, there are multiple rubber bands and styrofoam in place to protect the case in transit. So let me quickly remove all this and keep them aside and quickly unbox the case. So this is a plastic covering, and you can see on the top it says 16 Pro Max. This is just used for protecting the case during the transportation. So let me just remove the actual case from this box and see how the actual overall case is. So this is the actual packaging, again, which is secured with multiple rubber bands. So this is the actual case. It's a very thin and light case. It's almost like a paper thin case. It also have this MagSafe and some writing on the top. And you can see this is not a protective case, but this is more of a style case for your phone. This is the case that I was using earlier with my Oppo Reno 14. So let me quickly install the phone in the case and show you how it looks like. So it's more of a kind of a snap-on case. It's wide open from the bottom, so there is no difficulty in inserting the USB Type-C cable, and also it protects the speaker from dust. As you can see, there is good lay on the table design that will protect the camera as well, and also the buttons are very tactile and easy to press. So there is not much screen protection, but there is very ever so slightly screen protection available with this case. So if you want to again buy this case, the link is in the description below. I will leave a link to the YouTube channel from where I got in touch with the actual individual who helped me ship the case. It's a proper shop from where you can purchase this. You can get in touch with the person on WhatsApp, and I made a UPI payment or online payment to purchase this. So thank you for watching. Have a great